Y'all know it had to be something outstandingly supercalifragilisticexpialidocious to bring me out of my natural hair product review retirement. Do y'all see my hair? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am so excited for this video, for this review. Do y'all see my hair? First of all, I have never done a natural hair product review where I reveal the results as soon as I get the video. But come on, I just had to do it a little different this time. Come on, look at it. Look at it, look at the definition. Some curls, child, my curls ain't never curled like this on my own. I've gotten curls like this when I go to the salon and go to a natural hairstylist. Me, I did this by myself. Definition, stop. The definition, y'all, is crazy, it's insane. Okay, so let me just calm down for a second because I am loving this wash and go. Loving it. I haven't even like picked my hair out, y'all, but I just was like, okay, it's dry, so let me go ahead and give my thoughts. Let's get into these products. Throughout this review, I'm gonna be going over 6 key categories that I think will help people decide whether or not they would like to purchase this hair care line. I'm gonna share also which line I decided to go with, but those categories are 1, the value for my money, 2, the packaging, the design, and the convenience, 3, the scent, 4, the ease to use the products, 5, the texture and the consistency of the products, and number 6, which would be the ingredients, the quality of the ingredients, kind of where the ingredients are ranked. But yeah, so hopefully all that sounds good to y'all. Okay, y'all, so without further ado, let's get into it. And yes, I did. I put the products back inside the box so I can show y'all the box because I've already done my hair. Y'all see. Let me just say, if Tia see this video, because I hope she does, that I have been loving her ever since I was a little girl. And I really looked up to her as a kid on Sister, her and her sister. And I love their curls. And I didn't know anything about curly hair. And to find out that she actually, they had to actually straighten their hair because their curly hair was not accepted, is like crazy to me because in the Black community, like that was the only representation that we saw. And that was it. We didn't see any other Black girls with their natural hair or curly hair. I didn't even know my hair could do this. Like back then, I had no idea. All I knew was straighten irons, but that's a story for another day. But I wanted to read the message on the box, or in the inside of the box. Natural hair meets the best of clean science. We made these products to empower our natural hair journey. To empower your natural hair journey. Get ready to love your hair for what it is and what it can be. Healthy, strong, and uniquely yours. Thank you so much for trusting us with your gorgeous curls. Tia Mowry. Oh my God, Tia, I love you so freaking much. And inside the box, I got the shampoo, the conditioner, the styling gel, and the leave-in conditioner. This was the Moisture and Define bundle that I got, which was 4 products, and total of this bundle pack was $38. When you think about that, that's 4 products for $38, not including taxes and shipping. Actually, shipping was free. That's another plus. I did not pay for shipping, y'all. Shipping was free, and shipping took me about 4 days for it to get to me. But that would be $9.50 each product item. So just off of that, I'll go ahead and give this a 10 out of 10 when it comes to the value for my money. Absolutely, when you think about a good quality product and it costing a certain amount of money, if it's affordable or not, this is definitely affordable. Some products are like $25 for one product, and I got 4 products, and they're a really big size, I would say. Y'all can tell I'm excited. I am over the moon right now. I'm over the moon because of the fact that I would have hated to have to come on here and say that her products were terrible because I love Tia so much. So it makes me so excited that her products were actually bombers. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get into this shampoo. And let's get into the scent. I probably can mention that I think all of the products have the same, at least from this bundle, they all have the same running theme of the scent. It is very pleasant. Honestly, like, scent for me is 10 out of 10 because I'm real funny when it comes to hair products that have, like, I don't know, the product could be good, but if the scent isn't right, I won't use it again. That's just me. And I don't know what this smells like. It doesn't smell like anything that maybe I have smelled it before, but it just reminds me of like shampoo. Like, it smells like how shampoo should smell, not like chemicals, but not also like super fruity or tropical. It isn't like a overpowering any kind of bubblegummy, you know, it's just seems like a natural scent for a shampoo. I'm sorry, like, it's probably a bad description, but to me it's 10 out of 10. I love it because it doesn't irritate my senses, if that makes sense. But packaging, design, I love it. It is sleek. I feel like it's simplistic, minimalistic packaging. Obviously, the products are sulfate and silicone free. They are not tested on animals, and I love that it lets you know how long this product will last. I believe on all of them they say that they have a shelf life of 12 months. So when it does come to the ingredient list, if you guys don't know about this app, it's an app that basically you can scan your products. You can do this while you're in the store, or you know, once something arrives to you, you can scan. It's called Yorka, I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but you can scan your products and then it will give you basically a rating of what the ingredients are. So for the shampoo, the rating actually was poor, but for me, that's not going to make me not use it. I mean, but if we're going off the ingredient list, technically there are some ingredients when it comes to like the fragrances, I guess, that within which is actually the thing that I like, which I kind of like the fragrance, but it could have some allergens in it. So that's just something to be mindful for. Again, if you guys care about ingredients, I highly recommend you download the app and then you can be the judge of that. Well, for me, it doesn't bother me at all. And I went right home and washed my hair.
Okay, well, that's you. But on the other hand, me, oh, I'm gonna turn up.
I did love that the package was sealed in the inside, and it was actually very hard for me to get that seal off of the freaking package. So you won't have any issues with any of the products spilling out, because absolutely hardest to get this, which is not on here now, but to get that peel and pull, I think is what they call it. But yeah, I couldn't peel it or pull it, and I actually had to cut it off. So that's actually a good thing. For the texture for the shampoo, absolutely giving silky, creamy goodness. It felt amazing on my hair. My hair was actually loving it. It is not so this is a moisturizing bundle or line. So for me, that's exactly what I was looking for. I did not want a clarifying shampoo. I have some clarifying shampoos, and I use them from time to time, but that's not my go-to type of shampoo. Like, clarifying shampoos stress me out. So with this wash day, it was amazing. Absolutely love the lather on it. I didn't have to use a lot to get a good lather, and it just rinsed out without making my hair feel like it was stripped or that I have lost any of the moisture in my strands, if that makes sense. 10 out of 10 for me. And then the last, ease of use. I mean, the packaging is pretty similar to other packages, so I feel like it was easy for me to get the product out. As y'all can see, it don't even look like I used it at all. That's how I just know. Come on, y'all. It was a great wash day. Like, I didn't have to go back in and add more shampoo. It was shampooing. The shampoo was shampooing. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump on over to the conditioner. Same type of packaging. So again, love the packaging. The rating for the ingredients, let's see. Now for the conditioner, the rating was actually, yeah, so I couldn't actually find a rating for the conditioner. So sometimes when you use this app, it doesn't have any history, I guess, of the ingredients. So maybe it will be updated at some point. Oh, I mean, I guess I could have filled it in, but I ain't gonna do all that to figure out if the ingredients are good. Me personally, the ease of use, 10 out of 10. The scent, same scent as the shampoo. And to me, 10 out of 10. The texture, it was a little, maybe a little bit on the runnier side than what I'm used to when it comes to a conditioner, but I do know that it's not it's not a deep conditioner. I did apply a cap on it, but it's only because my camera died, and so I left it on for maybe, I don't know, like 10 minutes before I got back into the shower. So when it came to detangling, the detangling process was freaking amazing. Like I've been losing a lot of hair when it comes to detangling in the shower lately, and I just might be just going through a phase with my hair. But when it came to me applying the conditioner, I had really no issues with detangling my hair. Like, I didn't detangle it when I applied the conditioner, but then I put the cap on, found my battery, came back, maybe did some other stuff, then came back to detangle my hair, and like I was able to detangle my hair in like 2 minutes, my whole entire freaking head. And not to say that my hair was like super tangled this time, but my hair tangles easily. Like, as soon as I untangle it, if I don't braid my hair up or if I don't twist my hair into twists, it's going to retangle itself. So with that being said, I didn't really have any issues. On that end, it's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, because that's what I'm always trying to cut down my time in the shower. Like, I don't want to spend all day doing my hair. So now we're gonna move on into the leave-in, and it is giving cute. It's giving a little bit of a color. I love it. The packaging, y'all, is just like, it is top tier. I mean, very well thought out. I love this twist top thing. Like, this got it going on. Like, I have never had any other hair care products, and there probably are other brands out here that offer this little twisty top thing, but it is giving everything, and I'm just like so futuristic. And it also helps with, to me, I feel like it helps me not spilling the product, and I just like it. I don't know, it's just something about it that's like different. Scent is the same scent as the shampoo and the conditioner. Packaging, 10 out of 10. Overall, I'm just gonna say the leave-in was a 10 out of 10. Because look at my hair. That's the thing, like, look at the shine. Come on now, like, I really don't have any, let me get close so y'all can see, like, I really don't have no frizz. And normally after I diffuse my hair, oh yeah, she's giving frizz. And I really feel like this leave-in conditioner had something to do with it. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I mean, application applying to my hair, just the silkiness and creaminess as it's going through my hair, and it has like so much like slips. And now at this point of my wash day, I'm trying to define the curls, and my hair was like clumping together without me even having to like do anything. Like, as I'm applying it, it's literally clumping my curls. Like, this is what my curls have always been looking for, right? So yes, y'all, I'm just over the moon. If y'all don't try anything else out of any of the products that I rate, this one right here, this is probably gonna be my new favorite leave-in. Like, she was giving exactly what I needed her to give. And the last product, y'all, the curl defining gel. It is the same packaging as the leave-in curl cream, so it still has that twisty top. Loving it. Told you, 10 out of 10. Same scent. I'm not mad at it that the scents are giving, we are one, we are a family. Not mad at that at all. This defining gel does have aloe vera and Hemi 15. Child, I don't know what a Hemi anything is, but it has Hemi 15 in it. I've actually never even heard of that. So I'll have to do my own research to actually see what that is. But I love it. Like, I just love it. My hair loved it. The ease of use, like I said, application, getting it out, applying it to my hair. The slip was amazing. The shine that it is giving, probably because it has the aloe vera in there. That's probably why. But the shine that it's giving, like I never get this type of hair on day one. I literally just diffused my hair, y'all. Like, this is not day 2 hair. This is day 1. I just don't know what to say, but I am in love with this product line. It's nothing more that I can say. I diffused my hair, then picked it out, and I came and I sat down, and this is how my hair is looking. I did not stretch it. So that is something that I'm still gonna go ahead and probably do, but y'all, what can I say? Like, phenomenal. I mean, it's just freaking phenomenal. I highly recommend. I am so happy for her. I am so happy that I actually love the products. And like I said, she brought me out of retirement. Like, I was so excited to try this product line. I highly recommend this to any curly girls. Like, your curls are going to be so freaking defined, and it just don't make any sense. Like, it does have, I'll mention that, sorry guys, it has a little bit of a hold, right? But it's not giving crunchy crunch, not at all. But you definitely know it's a little bit of a hold on my ends, and I'm not mad at that, because y'all, if I don't have some type of hold, baby, it's gonna be frizzy. It's gonna be frizz city. So I say all that to say, it's perfect. Like, this is actually a perfect line, and I am probably going to try the rest of the bundle kits that she offers. Let me know what y'all think of my hair in the comments. I don't got nothing else to talk about. I am about to go find me some business, because your girl looking cute when she wasn't even trying to get cute today. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.